numericals on resistivity. The first question is, compute the resistivity of the given material whose resistance is 2 ohm, area of cross section and the length are 25 centimeter square and 15 centimeter respectively. So it is the question. So the material which is having the length 15 centimeter and the area of cross section is 25 centimeter square and the resistance is 2 ohm. We need to calculate the resistivity of the wire. Got it? So the given data is L is equal to 15 centimeter, area of cross section is 25 centimeter square, resistance is 2 ohm. We have to calculate the resistivity of the given material. We know that resistivity is equal to R into A divided by L. Check out the values. The length it is given in centimeter, area of cross section they are given in centimeter square, but according to the SI unit it should be, length should be in meter and area of cross section it should be in meter square. So convert into the meter and square meter here. So length it should be in meter. So 15 divided by 100, because in order to convert, what is the method? We need to divide that number by the 100. This is equal to. So in the denominator we have 2 zeros. So in order to remove the 2 zeros in the denominator, I need to give the point in the numerator after 2 digit 1 and 2. So here 0.15 meter, 0.15 meter. Similarly 25 divided by 100. Same method we need to be follow, because we are converting centimeter to meter. Here square is there. So this is equal to, in the denominator 2 zeros. So in order to remove the 2 zeros in the denominator, I need to give the point in the numerator after 2 digit. So 1, 2. So here 0.25 meter square. So here all the values are in SI unit. Now you can substitute the values in the formula. This is equal to, R is equal to, it is 2 ohm, area of cross section it is 0.25, L is equal to 0.15. So in the numerator after 2 digit point is there, and here in the denominator also after 2 digit point is there. So here this one point, both are get cancels together. This is equal to 2 into 25, it is equal to 50. So in the denominator you will get 15. So 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. Put 1 point, take the 0. Again it is 50. 15 threes are 45. So here 3 it will goes on like this only. So I need to take the next digit, that is 4. So here the resistivity of the given wire is 3.34 ohm meter. So hence we have solved the problem. The next problem is, the length and area of wire are given as 0.2 meter and 0.5 meter square respectively. The resistance of that wire is 3 ohm. Calculate the resistivity. So here we have a wire whose length is 0.2 meter, and the area of cross section, this area of cross section is 0.5 meter square, and the resistance is 3 ohm. We need to calculate the resistivity of the wire. So the given data is L is equal to 0.2 meter, area of cross section is equal to 0.5 meter square, resistance of the wire is equal to 3 ohm. We need to calculate the resistivity. So we know that resistivity is equal to R into A divided by L. R it is equal to 3, A it is equal to 0.5, L it is equal to 0.2. So here in the numerator after 1 digit point, in the denominator after 1 digit point, these 2 points are both are get cancels together. So multiply these two number, 3 5s are 15. So here you will get in the denominator it is 2. Now divide 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. Put 1 point, take 0, it will be 10. So 2 5s are 10. So here the resistivity is 7.5 ohm meter. So the given wire resistivity is 7.5 ohm meter. Hence we have solved the problem.